and talk about another concern, because of course you would be watching a lot of content on OTT platforms, on Netflix and other platforms as well, or on YouTube. Well, many of you must be doing that, because now we have a development coming in from the top court of the country. Now, the Supreme Court has come up with a suggestion which, if implemented, could change the way you consume content online. Now, the Supreme Court has suggested that the age verification using Aadhaar card could be implemented for accessing online content that may be deemed as obscene. Now, the court has emphasized the need for displaying a warning stating that such content may not be suitable for general audiences. Let's take you first as far as when it comes to this idea that has now come across from the CJI Kant himself in the court, while the court was emphasizing on the need to build a responsible society. Now, this suggestion has sparked a debate on whether the idea is feasible or not. There are also concerns with regards to privacy and profiling, which are also being raised. But let's take a look exactly why this idea could also be problematic. As far as the suggestion that is now coming in from the Supreme Court of India, it seems to have given the suggestion of Aadhaar age check, and why it could be problematic, because there are certain privacy issues as well. The concern over the person's viewing history data. What about the possible misuse of such data as concerned? That is always a concern that would be raised. Then when we speak of certain profiling is concerned, there is another profiling fears. Now, apprehensions is that it could lead to profiling. There is practicality issues as well. The practicality was what it says, that what if the kids use the adult's Aadhaar card to access content that is not entirely viewable for them, and they are watching it, the adults are watching it, and so are the kids on the adults, when it comes to their account. But is now free speech being curbed? Because restriction on the freedom to watch whatever you want, is that now being in a way to actually build a more responsible society as is now being deemed? Well, that is results of exactly when it comes to this suggestion that has been put forth. But this is not coming for the first time, viewers, when concerns are now being raised with regards to personal details. Now, just about a week ago, there were reports saying that even Zomato is preparing to share customer data with restaurants. Now, according to reports, the company was preparing to share a basic customer detail, mainly phone numbers. However, Zomato says that the consent of customers will be taken before the detail is shared, but there were still concerns regarding the misuse of personal data and increased scam and secondary marketing outreach. Now, the question we are asking is the suggestion given by the top court, is it practical, pragmatic, or is it problematic? So as far as when it comes to your personal data being shared to such an extent, because this is not the first time that such kind of an age of verification or such kind of a suggestion that is now being given out. But will Aadhaar now be used so that you can log into your Netflix or other OTT accounts, so that you can actually control the kind of content that you are consuming, and if it is something that is watchable by you and it comes in the age appropriate area? Well, that is something that a suggestion for now has been given. Remains to be seen what happens in the follow-up of that. But in